Good day everyone, I'm Rams Aban and I am here to show how to calculate the linear correlation coefficient using the Pearson product moment correlation coefficient equation. And the equation is R is equal to N times summation of xy minus summation of x times summation of y divided by the square root of n times summation of x squared minus summation of x squared times n times summation of y squared minus y squared squared. First, we have to identify the values using this table here. We have 9 pairs and x, y, x times y, x squared, y squared. And after we got all that, we have to add it all up to get the summation of each column. First thing we will do is we have to find the x and y. All we have to do is to times the x to our y. 1 times 10 is equal to 10. 2 times 11 is equal to 22. Second, we have to get the x squared. To get the x squared, we have to squared our x. Squared 1 squared is equal to 1. 2 squared is equal to 4. And now we have to get the y squared. Just like the x squared, we have to squared our y. 10 squared is equal to 100. And now that that is done, we have to find the summation of x. The summation of y. The summation of xy. Summation of x squared and the summation of y squared. Next thing to do is we have to substitute all the values that we got from our table. The first thing is n. We have 9 pairs, and the summation of x and y 690. Summation of x 45. Summation of y 126. Here, and we have 9. Summation of x squared 285. 285. Summation of x squared. X is n9. Summation of y squared. Summation of y squared and summation of y squared. To find the linear correlation, all we have to do is to calculate this number here. Our r is equal to 1. Now we have to interpret the values. We have 1, so our value is interpreted to be perfect positive correlation. Thank you for watching this short tutorial about the linear correlation coefficient. Hope you understand it and hope that it helped you. Thank you.